To the next topic, analog to digital converter. ADC function is just opposite to that of the DAC. It accepts an analog input voltage VA and produces an output of binary words D1, D2 and so on Dn of the functional value of D. So that D is equal to D1 2 power minus 1 plus D2 into 2 power minus 2 plus and so on Dn into 2 power minus n, where D1 is the MSB bit and Dn is the LSB bit. An ADC when usually has two additional control lines, that is the start and EOC, end of convergence. In start input is the ADC when to the start the conversion. EOC is the end of conversion, output to be announced when the conversion is complete. ADCs are classified into direct type and integrating type. In direct type, flash type, counter type converter, successive approximation type, tracking or servo converter. Here charge balancing and dual slope ADC. First of all, here parallel comparator or flash type ADC converter. The parallel comparator is the simplest A by D converter and at the same time of the fastest and most expensive technique. The circuit consists of the resistance divider network, 8 op amps, comparator and 8 to 3 line encoder, that is the 3-bit priority encoder. Here we are having 8 op amps and 7 resistors. It is connecting to the analog input via analog input VA. This is the connecting to the non-inverting terminal, and VR reference voltage is connecting to the inverting terminal. Here we are all outputs is op amp output is connecting to the 3 to 8 priority encoder. Then we are getting output will be Y0, Y1 and Y2. This is the voltage input and logical output X. Here VA is greater than VD, then X is equal to 1. VA is less than VD, here X is equal to 0. Now here VA is equal to VD, we are going for the previous value. First you have to check the here input voltage and output voltage. Now first of all 0 to VR by 8 is equal to X is equal to 1. Then output is equal to 0, 0, 0. Then VR by 8 to the VR by 2 VR by 8, that is equal to X0 is equal to 1, X1 is equal to 1, output is equal to Y0 is equal to 1. Like this we have to go for the 7 by 8 into VR to VR, that is equal to 5, and we will get output is equal to 7. Since all the resistance are of equal value, the voltage levels are available at the nodes are equally divided between the reference voltage VR and the ground. The purpose of the circuit into the compare this analog input voltage VA and with each of the node is voltage. Advantages: high speed conversion take place simultaneously rather than the sequentially. Simple AYD converter. Disadvantages: number of comparators required increases, number of bits also increases, that is number of comparators required. Almost double for each added bit, that is 3 bit, then 2 power n, that is 2 power 3 implies 8 comparators required. If number of bit increases, then the priority encoder complexity increases. Next one is the counter type ADC, analog to digital converter. Here this is also called as a digital ramp ADC or staircase approximation ADC. The counter type ADC is the basic type of ADC, which is also called as a digital ramp type or staircase. This circuit consists of a n number of counter, DAC and op amp comparators. This is the circuit diagram of the counter type ADC. Here you are having one AND gate and n bit counter and DAC and comparator. Operation of counter type ADC. The n bit counter type generates an n bit digital output which is applied an input to the DAC. The analog output corresponding to the digital input from DAC, that is VR, is compared with the input analog voltage VA using an op amp comparator. The op amp compares the two voltages, and if the generated DAC voltage is less, that is VA is greater than VR, then it is generates a high pulse to the n bit counter as a clock pulse to the increment the counter. If the DAC output voltage is equal 1 less than the analog input voltage, then the output generates the low signal. For VA is equal to VR and VA is less than VR, if any one input is the AND gate is 0, then the output of the AND gate is also 0. So counter type steps and also clear signal is enabled, the output suddenly reduced to the 0. Conversion time, we consider the maximum conversion of the circuit for n bit ADC is in the maximum value 0 to 2 power n minus 1. The maximum conversion of the counter type ADC 2 power n minus 1 into t, where t is the time period of the clock pulse. This is the first one is the clock pulse, second one is the reset pin. Finally we will get to staircase output 0 to up to 8. Now counter type is the advantages: simple to understand and operate, cost is less because one comparator and no encoders, less complexity to design. Disadvantages: conversion time is 2 power n minus 1 clock periods. Here speed is less because every time the counter has to start from 0. There may be a clash or aliasing effect is if the next input is sampled before the completion of the one operation. Conversion time is not constant, if it increases with the increasing in the input voltage, that is conversion time is high at the high input voltage. Next one is the successive approximation ADC. Successive approximation ADC is the advanced version of the digital ramp counter ADC, which is designed to reduce the conversion time and increase the speed of operation. The major drawback of the digital ramp ADC is the counter used to produce the digital output will be reset after every sampling interval. The normal counter starts counting from 0 and increments by 1 LSB in each count. This results in 2 power n clock pulses to reach its maximum value. In successive approximation ADC, the normal counter is replaced with the successive approximation register. This is the circuit diagram of the SAR, successive approximation register. We are taking here SAR and DAC one comparator. The successive approximation register counts by the changing the bits from MSB to LSB according to the input. Here operation of the 3-bit successive approximation, the output of the SAR is converted into analog output by the DAC, and this analog output is compared with the input analog sampled value in the op-amp comparator. The op-amp provides a high or low clock pulses based on the difference through the logic circuit. If every first case the 3-bit SAR enable its MSB bit is high, that is 1, and through the result will be 100. This digital output is converted to analog value compared with the input sampled voltage Vin. If the difference is positive, that is if sampled input is higher than the VI, then SAR is enabled the next bit from the MSB and result will be 100. If the output is negative, if the input sampled voltage is less than, the SAR resets the last set bit and sets the next bit. The resultant output in this case will be 101, which will be definitely approximately equal to the input analog value. The counter sequence is explained by the following counter flow chart. Now here 100, VD is less than VI, we are going for the set to the next bit, that is 110. Then VD is greater than VI, it will be set to the reset to the first bit and set to the next bit, that is equal 010. Like this it will be processing to the up to like this. By observing the above 3-bit example is illustrated for the bit ADC, is conversion time will be 3 clock pulses. Then n-bit successive approximation ADC conversion time 3 clock pulses. So to avoid aliasing effect, the next sample of the input signal should be taken after 3 clock pulses. In counter type or digital type ADC in time taken for conversion depends on the magnitude of the input, but in SAR conversion time is independent of the magnitude of the input sampled value. Advantages: speed is high compared to the counter type ADC, good ratio of speed to power, compact design compared to flash type, and it is inexpensive. Disadvantages: cost is high because of SAR complexity in design. Applications: the SAR ADC will use widely data acquisition techniques at the sampling rate higher than the 10 kHz.